Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to do a detailed comparison between the ElevenLabs Starter plan and the Creator plan, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Whether you're a hobbyist, content creator, or a professional, understanding the differences will help you get the most out of ElevenLabs AI. Let's start with the Starter plan. This plan costs $5 per month and is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to experiment with AI-generated voices without spending too much. It gives you 30,000 monthly credits, which is roughly 30 minutes of text-to-speech, or 50 minutes if you're using ElevenLabs agents. The plan includes instant voice cloning, allowing you to create a custom AI voice quickly, and a commercial license, so you can use the audio for monetized projects. It also gives access to tools like Dubbing Studio, letting you add voiceovers to video content easily. The audio quality is 128 kbps, which is standard and suitable for most casual projects. Now, let's move on to the Creator plan. This plan costs $11 per month, with a 50% discount for the first month, and it's designed for creators who need more capacity and professional features. You get 100,000 monthly credits, which equals about 100 minutes of text-to-speech, or 250 minutes for ElevenLabs agents. The Creator plan provides higher audio quality at 192 kbps, making your recordings sound richer, clearer, and more professional. It also offers professional-grade voice cloning, which produces more accurate and expressive AI voices. One major advantage of the Creator plan is usage-based billing for extra credits. If you occasionally need more than your monthly allocation, you can purchase additional credits instead of being restricted by the plan. Additionally, project management features are more robust, allowing you to organize multiple projects efficiently and track your workflow better. This is especially useful for content creators, agencies, or anyone producing a large volume of audio content regularly. So, the key differences between the two plans come down to capacity, audio quality, voice cloning, and project management. The Starter plan is ideal for those just starting out, creating occasional content, or testing the platform. It's simple, affordable, and gets the job done for basic needs. On the other hand, the Creator plan is tailored for professionals or frequent users who require higher quality, more minutes, advanced voice cloning, and better organizational tools. To summarize, if you're a hobbyist or just experimenting, go with the Starter plan. If you're a serious content creator, producing high-quality audio regularly, or need advanced features for multiple projects, the Creator plan is the better choice. That's the full comparison between the ElevenLabs Starter and Creator plans. Understanding these differences will help you choose the plan that matches your workflow and budget. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more detailed tutorials on ElevenLabs and AI voice tools.